Hello, my name is Marta Edgar. I am a counselor at SAIT. This is a very brief explanation on how to get ready to choose educational program and career direction. A career is about the life you want to lead, not just a job, occupation, or profession. It involves deciding among possible and preferred futures. In the process of career planning, you should work towards answering questions such as, who do I want to be in the world? What kind of lifestyle am I seeking? And how can I make an impact? There is no single test that can quickly and accurately answer those questions for you. You will do better to engage in the following. Rate yourself on the progress on each of the following 10 items. Have you defined your interests in what to study and what activities to do? Are you aware of your abilities, talents, both strengths and weaknesses? Did you clarify your values? What is important to you personally? Have you read about or watched various occupations? And have you talked to others about their work? What opportunities did you take to get involved in productive activities? Paid jobs, volunteering, or informal work such as taking care of others or helping a relative? Do you know what kind of educational programs exist and what they offer? Have you outlined your short-term goals and long-term goals? And what are you doing to develop your skills and expand your knowledge? This last item is really a lifelong task. A counselor can help you navigate through this process. For more, see our webinars or contact us. Thank you for your attention.